Joints. Joints are places where two or more bones meet. They make the skeleton flexible and allow movement. Ligaments, which are strong bands of tissue, hold bones together and keep joints stable. Joints are mainly of two types: immovable joints and movable joints. Immovable joints. Immovable joints, also called fixed joints, are joints where bones are firmly joined and do not allow movement. They provide strength and protect delicate organs. Example: the bones of the skull are fused and protect the brain. Movable joints. Movable joints allow bones to move freely in different directions. They are held together by ligaments and cushioned by cartilage. Different types of movable joints allow different kinds of movement. Pivot joint. A pivot joint allows one bone to rotate around another along a single axis. Example: joint between the first two neck vertebrae helps us turn the head. Joint between the radius and ulna in the forearm. Ball and socket joint. A ball and socket joint allows movement in many directions, including rotation. One bone has a rounded ball that fits into a hollow socket of another bone. Example: shoulder and hip joints. Gliding or sliding joint. A gliding joint allows bones to slide over each other with limited movement in all directions. Example: wrist, ankle, and between the small bones of the spine. Hinge joint. A hinge joint allows movement in only one direction, like a door opening and closing. Example: elbow, knee, fingers, and toe joints.